Good morning, everyone. Looking at the US stock markets, the Dow has earlier on topped the 26,500 points level. However, we did see some of the weakness coming in on the Dow Jones Index, and on last Friday itself, Dow has fallen about 666 points or negative 2.5% due to the bond growth in the West, whereby the 10-year Treasury yield has risen towards the 2.38%. With that, the Dow has violated below the 26,000 psychological level, and moving forward, we're expecting further pullback for the Dow Jones towards the 25,000 psychological level. That will be the next support level for now. If the 25,000 level will fail to hold, then the 24,500 points will serve as the next defense for the Dow Jones Index. Meanwhile, any recovery from now will be just taken as a technical rebound, with gains capping towards the previous psychological level of 26,000 level. Similarly, on the S&P 500, we did see the S&P 500 has hit the all-time high level of 2870. However, we did see the weakness coming in on last week itself, as the S&P 500 has gapped down and subsequently violated below the 2800 psychological level on last Friday. The weakness came in as well with all the 11 main sectors in the red. So moving forward, we're expecting further pullback for the S&P 500 towards the 2700 psychological level to see what's there. If we can see some of the recovery from the 2700 level from that point onwards, then we might see further just a technical recovery back towards the 2800 psychological level. In the meantime, the 2700 will serve as a very strong support level at current moment. Some of the crude prices, they continue to trade on the sideways momentum after recent rally from the 55 towards the 66, 67 US dollars per barrel level. We did see the consolidation phase happen along the 63 towards the 67 US dollars per barrel level over the past one and a half month trading period. So moving forward, continue to monitor for these two bands. In the event that the crude prices to surpass the 67, then we might see further upside towards 70. In the meantime, the three will serve as immediate level. If the prices to fall below the 63, then back towards the 60 US dollars per barrel level. The weakness Friday, whereby the crude prices has fallen about 0.5%, came in after the US oil rigs has increased for the 11 consecutive trading weeks. So, okay, some days on our local front, the FMKLCI has earlier breached above the 1830 level. Since then, the key index continues to trend higher towards the 1850 and towards this, subsequently towards the 1870 level. However, we did not see any fall-through buying interest beyond that level. But on last Friday itself, we did see the FMKLCI has closed just marginally above the 1870 level. We did see the FMKLCI has seen some of the earlier gains, but the king has quickly gave up most of its intraday gains before closing just marginally higher. With the overbought condition on the FMKLCI coupled with the renewed weakness in Wall Street, we might see further pullback for the FMKLCI towards the 1850 to see our holds there. If the 1850 level cannot hold, then the 1830 is the next support level on the FMKLCI. On the lower earners wise, we did see the FM small cap index has reached above the 18,000 psychological level. However, we did not see any follow through by interest. Instead, the FM small cap index has pulled back. Instead of the more technical recovery towards the 17,550 points, and the next wave of pullback would happen. With the potential weakness in FMKLCI and also the global renewed weakness in global equities, we might see further pullback for the FM small cap index to the 16,700 points, or even back towards the previous support level of 16,400 points level on the lower liners. Some of the stocks that we can watch out for, one of it will be ASB. With Bank Nagara's move to raise its interest of the banking stuff has been on the rallying phase. One of it is also MBSB, which could be one of the laggards among the financial stocks. MBSB has recovered from the 1 ringgit and 1 cent level. Since then, price has hit the previous peak of 1 ringgit and 26 cents. It touched the 1 ringgit and 26 cents for 2 times, and subsequently it pulled back just towards the 1 ringgit and 11 cents level. And recently, we did see another gap up formation on MBSB as price recovered from the EMA 20 level, with accompanied by some of the improvement in volumes. Following this short-term breakout pullback and continuation pattern, we did see the MACD indicator has really issued a buy signal, whereas the RSI has really risen above the 50 level. So moving forward, we'll be monitoring for the breakout above the 1 ringgit and 26 cents. Upon the breakout of 1 ringgit and 26 cents, we can trade our MBSB towards the 1 ringgit and 35 cents level, and subsequently towards the 1 ringgit and 38 cents level. Your stop loss point will be located below the recent low, which is currently located at the 1 ringgit and 15 cents level for MBSB. For Destiny, we did see earlier on the price has formed some of the good bullish divergence signal. Price has earlier on been trading the lower throughout this period of time. However, we did see the MACD indicator has been trading higher. After that, we did see the consolidation occurred towards the 48 cents level, and subsequently price made a good breakout above the 48 cents, accompanied by some of the improved high volumes being traded. Price has subsequently traded towards the 67 cents level and staged some of the mild pullback just towards the EMA R20 and forms the recovery pattern. So for Destiny, we'll be monitoring for this short-term symmetrical triangle formation. Upon this breakout above the symmetrical triangle formation, which is around the 62.5 cents level, we might see further upside for Destiny towards the 67 cents and subsequently towards the 72 cents level. Your stop loss point will be located below the recent low, which is currently located at the 57 cents level for Destiny. So the target price is at 67 cents, which was the previous peak, and subsequently towards the 72 cents level, your stop loss point is below the 57 cents level for Destiny. For IFCA, MSC still sideways pattern, but we did see some of the accumulation is taking place throughout this period of time. Price alone recovered from the 34.5 cents level and subsequently hit the previous of 41 cents. Yes, retested the 41 cents on several occasions. However, we do not see any closing above the 41 cents. So for what we can do is we're going to monitor for this short-term breakout above the 37.5 cents. Upon the breakout of 37.5 cents, trade if cut just towards the 41 cents. That will be the target price for now. And if should there be a breakout and a closing above the 41 cents, further upside will be seen for if cut towards the 43.5 cents level. Your stop loss point will located below the 35 cents level if there's above the 37.5 cents. Upon the breakout of the 7.5 cents, you also anticipate for the MACD indicator to issue a buy signal, whereas RSI also could be crossing above the 50 level as well. For Aeon Credit, price is still on the sideways consolidation pattern after the recent recovery from the EMA R20 of 12.73 cents after from the recent peak of 14 ringgit and 61 cents level. Price has staged a consolidation phase over the past 2 months trading period. So however, we did see some of the good bullish engulfing candle being formed on Aeon Credit as price recovered from the EMA R20 level, accompanied by some of the improvement in volumes. So for Aeon Credit, we were going to monitor for these two levels, the 13 ringgit and 23 cents towards the 13 ringgit and 78 cents level. Upon the breakout of 13 ringgit and 78 cents, we can trade Aeon Credit towards the previous peak of 14 ringgit and 61 cents. Your immediate support will be located below the 13 ringgit and 23 cents level for Aeon Credit. Last two company for today will be Xinhua. Xinhua has again formed some of the good recovery pattern accompanied by some of the improvement in volumes towards the recent peak of 1 ringgit and 30 cents level. However, we did see some of the happens on Xinhua just towards the recent low of 1 ringgit and 10 cents, and price from bullish engulfing candle accompanied by some of the rising volumes. So for Xinhua, do good monitor to see if there's any follow through buying interest beyond the 1 ringgit and 21 cents. If there's a break out above the 1 ringgit 21 cents level, at least for today, then we can trade Sinhua towards an intraday target of 1 ringgit 30 cents, and subsequently towards the 1 ringgit 38 cents level. Your stop located below the 1 ringgit 10 cents level for Sinhua. Another similar pattern on with Sinhua will be Eversendai. Eversendai has learned from the back after hitting the recent peak of around the 1 ringgit and 38-39 cents level. However, price has pulled back towards the recent low of 74 cents a level. Touching the 74 and a half, 75 cents a level, we did see Eversendai has formed some of the good recovery pattern over the past 2 trading days as price rose above the EMA 20 level on last Friday itself. So for Eversendai, we need to see if they go through the 83.5 cents. Upon a breakout of 83.5 cents, we could anticipate for the breakout, the pullback for us to accumulate around the 83.5 cents before the next upburn to resume towards the first target price of 91.5 cents and subsequently towards the 98 cents level. Your stop loss point will be located below these 5 cents if there's a breakout above the 83.5 cents level for Eversendai. If you have any questions, you can put in the chat box. I'll reply you shortly. If there's no question for today, then any morning briefing. Thank you.